This is your boy Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Type Awilo, like, share, comment, follow, subscribe. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, le result always be successful. Quand l'opportunité raconte la préparation, le résultat donne toujours le succès. Today, we are one of West Africa country, Benin Republic, and we are that class community. And this community then cook what they call Africa gin, Ogogoro. So this my friend here, he want to lead us to show how they do until what they call Africa gin or Ogogoro. They prepare it. That's what you want to show us how they do it. Viewers, let's go. Come on, first no tire. Hey, wow. I don't open it yet. Let the camera come. Camera, this palm tree, then cut it down. This is how they do their own in this community. Wow. Wait. Wow. So sweet. That's nice. Fresh. Is it palm? Wow. Palm wine. So clean. Let me. I can drink it. Okay. Ah, ah, life sweet. Can I see drink it? Man, don't come finish your palm wine, no. Ah, I beg. Hey, wow, this is palm wine, fresh one, fresh palm wine. Yeah, let's go for the second one. Wow, this is so sweet. I swear. Ah, it's so sweet. Wow. 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 All right. Let's. Okay. You don't say turn. Yeah, turn it. No. I'm not drinking again. I beg. Wow. So clean. Nice one. Nice. Now let's go. Wow, guys, you see how they are enjoying on this plate. Fresh palm tree, no palm wine, no missing. I swear, so sweet. We are done. Now we are going to where they prepare the Africa gin. This is full already. Let's go and see how they prepare the Africa Ogogoro. Today we want to see how they prepare Ogogoro today. Now we are back. Africa gin. Wow, you can see a lot of people around here. Well done, sir. Well done, no. And well done. Wow. Wow. This is just the first one, the one we got. Okay, now who is your master? Who is your Oga? Today we go speak French with me. I don't know. So vous pouvez nous expliquer un peu? D'accord. Vous avez dit quoi?
Il n'y a pas de problème pour ça.
Ah, d'accord, on peut aller. Let the master explain to us how until they cook everything it turn to Africa gin. Yeah, let's go.
Ok, on prépare l'alcool là avec barley, avec tonneau.
Okay, he said they cook this alcohol Africa gin with this drum here that's on the fire. You can see it on the fire here.
Avec tuyau.
Okay. Tio, this pipe. Camera, view the fire. You can see this drum filled with palm wine here. You see? Okay. Um, this is what he's talking about. This is pipe. This pipe. Where okay. Yeah. Vous pouvez continuer.
Donc, c'est ça là que l'alcool sort par le tuyau et rentre.
Okay. Wow. Camera, you can see it. Okay. Camera, wait. Camera, let's go back. Let's go back. So when they put the palm wine here, you can see this is very strong fire. When it gets hot, the ogogoro, the alcohol, Africa gin, it pass here. The reason why they put this here, the pipe when it start to hot, boiling, and the alcohol start pass inside this pipe, the pipe gets hot. If you touch it, you can see it's very very hot now. So they put water here to cool it, to make it cool down little, and it pass here to make it cool down. So here you can see, wow, 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 wow. You can see this how you can see it's dropping. Can we test it? Find out something. Let me test Ogogoro alcohol. You see the alcohol. You can see the alcohol dropping. You can see it. You can see this is how they prepare Africa gin here. Let's all test. Today. Hey, you see something? Camera. I want test. I want just test. I just want to test. Too hot. Ah, viewers, don't try to. It's dangerous. It's dangerous, guys. Nice one. This is how they prepare alcohol, Africa gin, Ogogoro. So we show us everything. Now they cook the Africa gin, alcohol, Ogogoro. They cook everything. And when they cook it done, there's water here. This separates the alcohol with water. Imagine the palm wine when they pour here. This fire makes the water and the alcohol to separate. The alcohol pass through this pipe to that side. You see it inside the video. Now the water, they need to open here for the water to come out. Oh yeah, uncle, you can open it. You see, you can see this water very hot and it's very dangerous. Very dangerous. You see, this is ordinary water. No, it's just like African magic. I cannot imagine that. Very hot. If you touch this water now, your hand don't pee finish. This what African mentality use. I cannot imagine how the alcohol separates. This fire make the alcohol to separate, and this is just empty water, and the alcohol just go through the pipe. This is just normal water. Very hot. You can see the smoke. Very hot. Wow, it's good. We learn something. You understand? It's not that easy. It's dangerous work, but this is how people make money through palm wine. You know? Wow. See the pressure. Very strong. Camera, show the starting. Don't show it. See, very hot. See the pressure. It's good. Thank you so much, everybody. We really appreciate for the love. Subscribe, follow for more video. One love to you guys. Bye.